What's up,
guys?
Guess who's back? The lap record holder.
We got Chris Sims and McLaren.
Yeah. So here's the deal, guys. Honestly, I watched the video that you sent me. Stradman came out here with a Ferrari race car.
Yeah, it was the F430.
And I'm not gonna lie, I thought he was gonna take it. 2, 3, go!
It was a close race.
It was
really close.
race.
So here's the deal. We cleaned the track up, and we are going to give this thing hell to try and make it impossible, or at least to invoke a very fun, friendly competition.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do the second one.
So I guess I'll politely call you out, even though I hold the record. We're gonna make it bigger, stronger, faster, better, harder, all that fun stuff. Let's do it.
Let's make it a challenge.
Go sub 110. I think you can make
110? We're gonna break 110?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, everybody, you heard it from the man himself, Chris Collins, and his McLaren 675 LT. He's actually going to take, you know, his record, which is a 1:11.96. A low 1:11.96. James was out here Tuesday, and he's you know, just barely got that under a quarter of a second, almost beat that record. But as you can see today, guys, we have a whole bunch of people out here today. Lots of fans. Everybody loves exotic cars. We want to make sure this is all official. Right there. So right now we're all not deaf because it's not as loud as the F430, but it sounds amazing. He is cruising.
Cruising. It almost seemed like your launch control didn't work. Chris, did it work?
Well, according to this head shake, it didn't.
Okay, he's probably going about right here, about 110.
Oh my gosh, it's close.
Oh man. Okay, very close.
Watch your legs. He has spun out on this corner without launch control even working. You just did a 109.
109.62.
That McLaren plus the driver, he's got to be really good.
I think he's doing all right.
He's doing all right.
I missed a gear.
What else went wrong?
It just didn't feel good.
Do you want me to tell you what went right?
What went right?
You're 109.
109, really?
So out of nowhere, a Tesla P100D just shows up. He's probably driving by and saw the McLaren driving. He's obviously not as loud as the McLaren or the Ferrari, but on the straightaways, he's got him.
We have a Tesla Model X P100D with Craig behind the wheel.
Hello, hello.
So he's gonna try to beat a McLaren 675 LT today.
Sure.
It's the Tesla versus the McLaren.
In a straight line, I like the odds better.
Just remember to floor it.
No, just remember to floor it. Got it.
I've got faith in you.
Oh no, look, he's coming up.
I've got faith in you.
Yeah, we'll see.
I love your start.
Sliding all over the place.
I just want your start. We'll trade.
On your mark, get set, go!
Dang it, that was terrible.
Remember, he's trying to beat a McLaren 675 LT of 109.
Boom shakalaka, 116 in a 7-seater SUV.
Wow. That's pretty fast. And actually, it was almost sideways and had to slow down a lot. So,
Jeez.
yeah. Good job, Craig.
How bad was it?
Okay.
Oh, I got a question. What happened in the corner over there?
That tire has no
This is
grip.
this is that corner right there. Okay.
So this he's saying is not his real tire.
Yeah, so I drove
This
it in
is
the snow, and this is the loaner from Tesla while they had to get me a new wheel because I hit the curb with it.
This is the
So
pretend tire?
This is the pretend tire, and the
Yeah.
other three are the high performance
Pretend
ones.
tire.
Yeah. That's
With the fake tire.
Right.
You got 116.
It's better than last time.
Unfortunately, the McLaren got 109 today. So.
It's it's like racing a go-kart.
Yeah, it's not fair.
I'm gonna
but
take a
still.
semi-truck and race a go-kart. This car's fantastic,
You can do
especially
some
in the
mods
turns.
to it, right? You can just mod it up.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we could.
I
Maybe
bet
we
you get
should.
more horsepower with an exhaust on it.
Throw some exhaust
Yeah,
on it, see if
yeah.
we can't get a little better
Cooler
noise.
So next time the goal, better tires,
Better tires.
better tires,
Better than 116.
better than 116. Okay.
Yeah.
What ultimate goal would you want to shoot for? Like
I'd love to be like 113.
113.
I think that'd be about as fast as I get. That'd put me. What was Strad's in the Lamborghini?
Yeah, 112.
His was 112. I'd
Yeah.
love to see if I could touch 112.
So Chris and Spencer are actually going to go for the track record together. So this is going to count. If he beats it, that's it.
So-
109.
Yeah, so he was at 112, now he's at 111, sorry, and then 109, now we're going for even faster, guys.
Are we doing lap times or is that Spencer's weight?
He's losing it now.
That's a good one.
We've got some weight in the cars. I just want that to be known. We're still in limp mode, but we're gonna try.
All right, boys. Stand back. We're gonna get you a time officially.
Should we go this way?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Should we go this way? Yeah, let's go this way.
It's just a little off-road school.
Do you think anyone will know we're going backwards?
No, I don't think so. We're still. You're doing really good on the time.
This might actually be the fastest time now because
Little off-road, dude. That was awesome. Holy cow. You're awesome, dude. This is hilarious. Hopefully you didn't hurt your car on that one.
you know what, man, it is what it is.
Dirt flew over the windshield. That was insane. Chris took a little bit of a shortcut. Doesn't count. You know, got like 45 seconds. He actually has to go around the track to count.
Here, just to show you guys that he took a shortcut, here, come take a look at
Did a
this.
little off-roading back
The
there.
intake is a little
You didn't tell me that there were rules.
Yeah.
Trace, clean this up.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was gnarly, dude. That was awesome. Yeah, that's a bummer. It's not going. Nice, nice, nice. You're doing awesome. 15 seconds. Good job, dude. Good job, good job. 25 seconds. Good job, man. Good job. You're an animal. You're an animal.
We got it this time.
Yeah, dude. Good job. Good job. 40 seconds. Nice, Chris. Oh, that is sick. Good job, good job. What was the time?
Okay, what do you think you did? Like,
I honestly,
So he hit the button after we crossed, and it was 109 after we crossed.
So
So,
I
I'm
think-
kind
we
of
got-
hopeful that we're like 108.
yep.
you got 108.97.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Yes! I knew he pushed it
There
ahead
you
late.
have it. We beat the record again and again and again.
And again.
Huh? Nailed it.
And that's how you fix the McLaren, everybody. That's how you do it.
Well, there's your problem. This was in there.